Okay, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make at least more than 3,000 or 3K. So, what you're going to want to go over to is buy one of these teleportals, then these rockets, then you're going to put one of these backpacks. If you don't have them, just use a regular backpack, not the small ones. These ones suck. Or you can either get your friend. That's probably bought out the whole house. I totally didn't buy almost all of the whole things, but you get on what I'm saying. Right now, I was right there. So, walk right past them. If you do get lost, or not lost, but if you do, like, there's someone with English or something, just use that. You don't have to, like, get the teleport, pop it, no. Slide it in here, you can come over here, gotta wait a little bit, you're gonna spawn over here. You don't need the key or anything, it's basically a speed run. You just keep doing this for over and over again. Look how much there is. This is awesome. Everyone's just chilling around and everyone's grinding and that means you know hoggers. Okay, this is not a piece. So first off, in this, please have a setting that makes flashbangs less brighter. It just makes your screen completely tan. And then it's a flashbang. You don't have to go on your settings and put the computer. Make sure that's smooth. So, now if you're over here, this one or this one. This one. So many kids.
I lost my. And another server. This purple.
What's wrong with PvP lobbies? Or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Many toxic people. People who just leave the server as soon as they get Red Watch, and it is so annoying. Should add a feature where if you have Red Watch and you leave, it should drop. So, now give me 3K or more. Let's see.